Yay, here we are, part 2. This is the second part of the 4-strand into a French braid. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. I do apologize, there will be some barking in the background. Please try to ignore it.
Hi, I'm back. I'm excited. I learned the 4-strand with the 3-strand in the middle into a French braid. I'm excited. I want to share it with you. So, here we. So you have your 3-strand braid. That takes a while to decide just to leave it. Then take your other section, just like previously. And same previously, you want to have kind of equal portions as well. Now, like in my previous video, you want to start from the hairline and work your way in. So take this strand and you go over. You can bring your braid in with you, and then you go over. It's like weaving again, because this one went over this piece, under the middle piece, and over the last piece. Okay, and you just keep doing that. Okay, so take a piece, add it to this. Make sure this piece is under here, goes over the braid, and then under the hairline piece. Ooh, that's a good way to, the hairline piece. Differentiate them. Okay. So then this piece goes over this one, and this goes over the inner piece. You take here and add it to it, just like on a Dutch braid. Like so. Then this piece goes under it, goes over the centerpiece, because it went under this one, and then it goes under the hairline piece, and then you add some more to it. Or you can add it before you go over. That's what works best for you at the moment. Okay, and now that you see that the braid has gone under the last one, so it goes over this current one. And then this goes over the last piece, or the inner piece, and add to the inner piece as well. Well, I want to give credit where credit's due. Thanks to a fellow YouTuber and Instagrammer, Another Braid, watching her a couple times, was able to figure it out and like, okay, that's how you do it. So mad props to her for helping me figure it out. So this one went over, so it goes over this one and under this one, and the hairline. And you take the hairline. Oh, I'm sorry, you probably can't see very well. Take the hairline piece and add it to it. Before you cross all the way over, make sure you have your middle braid strand over this strand. Grab some hair. And goes under this piece. Make sure your braid piece goes under it, and then the hairline piece goes over it, and you can add some hair to it. Now the braid length of it won't go
towards the end of the 4-strand braid, so I get to be creative with this. I've tried to figure out what to do best and ended up with the French braid. That's what I love about this job, is my creative part. Be able to, what's gonna work? And go from there. Doing the same thing, going from one side to the other, weaving in and out, repeating until you finish where the end of the little braid, towards the end of the little braid. Here I'm finishing off the 4-strand braid and adding the hair on the other side of the head to it to become a French braid.
Me, for a while, I was doing a lot of wedding hair, and I was really enjoying it. I love playing with hair, making it look pretty, but I feel like I was missing out with my family. I have 2 kids and a wonderful husband, and the kids like have me around, and so does my husband, and so I figured, we can always do it later. Not that I won't do a wedding for someone, but I'm a little bit more picky, I guess, about it now. It has to be something I really, really want to do. You can see here, of course, it could use a little bit of tweaking, maybe like a little bit of floofing to kind of see how I was able to do a 4-strand into a 3-strand. Positioning does need a little bit of work. But other than that, I think it worked pretty well.
Here I'm using a topsy tail tool, which is amazing. I highly recommend it. It helps you hide pieces, tuck in stuff with ponytails, braids, you name it. I was able to find this on Wish with a bunch of other tools in a kit, but you can probably find it at most any stores you look for, like Fred Meyer, Walmart, and such.
There we go. See the braid through the middle and then transitioned into a French braid. Ta-da! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're inspired to try something new. We'll see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything you would like me to demonstrate. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.